Well, a year and a half after a deadly tornado ripped through Maury County, leaders are making major upgrades so everybody's safe.
Yeah, News 2's Maggie Weaver shows us how new warning sirens could make all the difference the next time severe weather strikes. Maggie.
Peyton, Mark, Maury County is installing 7 new outdoor warning sirens over the next several weeks, and these sirens will be placed in high traffic areas like Maury County Park, Chickasaw Park, and several unit schools in Mount Pleasant, Hampshire, Culleoka, and Santa Fe. Now, a major safety investment here after the May 2024 tornado. The city of Columbia is also adding 12 more sirens, and the city of Mount Pleasant is installing one of its own, expanding coverage in the city limits. County Emergency Management Director Jeff Hardy says the project is part of a unified effort between the county and those nearby cities to ensure no one is left unprotected.
May 8th, 2024, we had a devastating tornado. Unfortunately, we did have a fatality with that. And we heard the public outcry that a lot of people wanted better warning systems. We want to emphasize these are designed for people to hear them when they're outside. When you're in your house, you may hear them, but that's not what they're designed for. When you got the TV going, the kids are screaming, life is happening, you may not hear that. That's why we encourage folks to have a NOAA weather radio, have multiple apps on their phone.
The new sirens are expected to be up and running within the next 4 to 6 weeks, and Hardy says that the outdoor sirens cover roughly a 1-mile radius around each site. But again, Hardy encourages everyone to also rely on those mobile alerts and weather radios to stay informed indoors. You can also download our WKRN Weather Authority app for real-time updates and warnings.